Hi everyone, so welcome back to my channel. So I have another Harley Quinn haul. Well, it's not really a haul because there's only one package. It's technically like just one because it's like one set, but it comes with a lot of things. And it's the one that she's wearing, a blazer, and it comes with a few items. So it has a blazer, pants, a shirt, or actually a tank top, and a belt bag. And the price for this one is $70, but it's pretty good. It comes with a lot of things. You don't have to like worry where to get the other materials. It's just one set, so that's good. So this one is called the Birds of Prey costume Margot Elise Robbie Harley Quinn cosplay costume outfit. Is that her middle name, Elise? My first time hearing it, but yeah. So I ordered this on January 18 and I received this on February 5. So it's about 18 days and that is pretty good. I feel like that one is pretty fast because usually if it's from China, it would take about a month to get here. So this is how the packaging looks like. Oh, I didn't even know, or I probably forgot that it comes with this as well. Wow. So it comes with her jewelry. So that's nice. I already have like 3 sets of this kind of jewelry, but they're all like different. And I see something new from this jewelry. Oh my gosh. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 necklaces, but they're all so long. I guess I'm gonna have to wrap it on my neck. Wrap it around my neck twice. So the first necklace. Oh, I don't wanna tangle all of these. Ooh. No. 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 Cause it's so tiny and it tangles up easily. The metal for this one is pretty cheap. I don't really like it. And the name tag doesn't even have Bruce on it. But the bone name tag is nice quality. It's just that you have to engrave it yourself. Go to the dog store or pet store and have them engrave it for you. This next one is a gold chain and they all have a clasp, by the way. So that's gonna be like time consuming. This one is the one with the hook. Yeah, it doesn't have all the charms. And then we have this other necklace that has pearls on it, but this one is not accurate. All of it is actually not accurate, but it's nice that they included that. You just need to buy earrings or make it yourself, and the shoes. These ones are all more like a charm. This one also has the woman's symbol. So the next one is this tank top or crop top, and it's black and red, as you can see, and it's kind of like a V-neck. I got the size medium, so all of these are medium. And yeah, the back is just the same thing but higher neckline. And the material for this one is kind of like those cheap leggings that you buy on Wish. Yeah, from like Chinese sellers. And then we have here the belt bag, and there's Velcro on the lock, even on the belt. Things at the back so that you can attach it to the belt, and it looks very cheap. And then we have here some pants, and it's kind of like silky material, and her pants are more like a gold color, but this one is like a beige and a brown. It's not accurate, but you know, as I was saying, it's better to have it already than to, you know, purchase it and look for it somewhere else. And why I actually got this costume is because of the blazer. It's very pretty. Now hers has sequins all over, but this one is just printed on. I was expecting something cheaper than this. It's pretty good quality. I would really wear this, not just to cosplay, but you know, on regular days. The pocket is fake, Just looks like there's a pocket, but you can't really put anything in it. I love it so much. The print is really good too. Like, there's no mistakes. I am so impressed. Wow. This one says that is 100% polyester. I don't really know much about fabrics, but it's a pretty good fabric and the print is really spot on. Now let's try on the outfit. The fit of the blazer is perfect. So it's a size medium. I'm usually a size small for the top. Yeah, definitely size up because they're Asian sizes. The stitching for the pants is not good. There was a hole on the zipper part. Good thing it's not noticeable because it's still covered. Kind of bothers me because that means it could rip easily. And also, I'm only 5'6", but the pants are short, as you can see over there. I forgot to mention there's also shoulder pads in this, but it's not too much. Unlike the ones from the 80s, those are like really thick shoulder pads. These ones are just right. They makes the structure better. Alright, so overall, out of all of these items, I really love the blazer. I do recommend the blazer so much. I am in love. If you're interested in purchasing this blazer, now you have an idea on what size to get. It doesn't have the sequins, but you know, the sequin part is too much and this one is definitely more wearable, so you can even wear it on daily if you want to, if you're that bold, if you want to make a statement every day. It's the only one that I recommend. I think they do sell it individually. But yeah, that was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to follow me on all my social medias. Sometimes I do post like sneak peeks on what my next video is gonna be. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.